Morning, everyone. Got an update on the 61 Panhead. We're gonna go pick it up today, and you'll be able to see what's going on with it. So I'll just post a little update video. Just dropped the bike off, picked it up at the other shop, dropping it off at the new shop. Let's see if we can get this thing completed. We got the bike picked up from the original shop it was dropped off at and delivered to the new shop, where it was welcomed with open arms. I'm not going to speak too much on what happened with the original shop and why it got taken to a different shop. Let's just say it was miscommunication. That was all. That's all. I'm gonna leave it at that. And so got it at the other shop. They were excited to have it. I'm not gonna give the name of that other shop until I get the okay to give out their name. I don't know if they want the name posted on YouTube or in these videos. I wasn't able to talk to the owner. He wasn't there this morning, so this is the update on the bike. I know a couple people wanted to see what's going on with it, and so starting from scratch again. So we'll see what happens. But I feel pretty confident that it's going to get completed. If you like these videos, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave me your suggestions, ideas, opinions. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.